see if this theory is right.
Bruh.
Damn it, there's people there. What do we get?
4 packs.
Huh?
4 packs.
Damn. My man's got lucky with 4. I got next tap. Can I tap it there?
What did he
See what he
say?
left me. There it is. Let's go. Is there more? 2 packs? Let's go. I'll take it. Oh yeah. The Venusaur's in here. You gonna tap it? Are you sure? I'm pretty blessed. I might get something.
Bag to back.
You want that? I'll give you this. You want this one?
No, I'm good.
Okay, I'm gonna leave you that. Dang! GG's in the chat. Oh! Is there more than one? Okay! Have a good one. We got lucky.